Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Honda HR-V versus ZR-V. We will explore their key differences in size, performance, and features to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle. The HR-V is known for its urban agility and practicality, while the ZR-V offers a more spacious and powerful experience for those seeking a larger compact option. When it comes to power, the HR-V generally comes with a 2.0-liter engine, providing around 158 horsepower. The ZR-V often boasts a more potent 1.5-liter turbocharged or 2.0-liter hybrid engine, delivering up to 184 horsepower. Both vehicles use a continuously variable transmission for efficient and smooth power delivery, ensuring a pleasant drive. Inside, the HR-V is celebrated for its adaptable magic seats and generous cargo volume, reaching nearly 59 cubic feet. The ZR-V offers a larger boot, starting at 370 liters, and features a refined cabin with a 9-inch touchscreen. Both SUVs come equipped with essential technology like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. The HR-V provides an agile and economical driving experience, perfect for urban environments and easy parking. The ZR-V, being larger, offers a more stable and comfortable ride, especially on longer journeys and highways. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize compact efficiency and a lower entry price or enhanced space, power, and a more substantial feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.